The following is a test of ZE3191. We are using module number 2, and the name of the experiment is Research on Longitudinal Differential Protection of Power Supply Lines. Here is the wiring. Make sure this switch is turned off between wiring. Q1 is 0. Click off. It is 0. Using U-bridge connection. This is a power supply. After passing the QE circuit breaker, next enter the following item. After TA4. After coming out of TA4, we practiced in the longitudinal direction, so there are 2 current transformers in total. So TA4 and TA6 are used here. Use U-shaped bridge to connect this loop. After passing the faulty switch K7, and then here we use U-shaped bridge connection. Then pass TA6 and then go down. We connect the load and through the K10 short circuit switch, connect to the neutral line. Below, use the 2mm safety electrical cable to connect the measurement end. Okay, the entire loop is connected. Power on, turn on the switch. Open Q1, the state of Q1, conduction. We can see the current of PA14 and PA15. Sixteen is the current that needs to pass through the overcurrent relay. Let's look at the settings of the current relay. The overcurrent is 0.5 ampere. There are 2 current transformers in the longitudinal direction. One is in the middle. One outside the test area. Let's power on K7 first and see if it works. When we turn on K7, it is equivalent to phase 2 ground short circuit. After the short circuit starts, we can see that KA7 has a flicker. KA7 is 0.4. The flashing is timing. After 2 to 4 seconds, it will act the disconnect to 1 and change it to 0 state. Let's try again. Reset 7 and power on again. Let's look at 7. This is a short circuit between 2 current transformers and its longitudinal differential protection. Let's see if there is this phenomenon when it is outside of the test range, that is K10. Power on. We use K10. See that it does not have this phenomenon. Outside the range, it has no effect. Current also has no effect. We didn't look at the changes in current just now. Take a look at its changes at K10. In K10, there is no protection. The current is about 1.5 ampere, between 14 and 15. Let's put K7 up and see the current. Now the load is 0.5 ampere. When it is under current, it can reach 0.9, which is greater than 0.4, so it operates. After the experiment is completed, turn off Q1 and turn off the switch.